Okay, guys, this is Jade the Fox here. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to do this. This is in a Roblox game called Wolf's Life Beta. I broke it. This is how you're actually supposed to look. This is how I look. Alright, guys, enough kidding around. I'm gonna actually show y'all how to do that. It's hilariously easy. Can you move? Alright, I'm just gonna move. Look at the camera. It's super easy. Okay, let's get started. You might be asking me, why am I on the edge of the map? Well, that's because we're gonna fall. Yeah, what we gotta do is first start flying. And then we fall down. Just keep on falling, falling, till we die. Yeah. That's how it works. I know. Takes for a long time, but you'll get there. Then you should be here. Wolf's Life. Good play. Pick any one of these. I'm just going to pop. Okay, that didn't work. Sometimes this happens. Yay! But if you have to have wings. You just click. Boom. Let's see if it loads it in. Boom. And then if I zoom out, boom. Now you don't have to zoom in, I just chose to because one hand. Just gotta zoom in. Just zoom in. And let's look at the ground and then press W. My keyboard's nasty. But yeah, you just press W and you move forward. Or you could use the arrow keys, but I use WASD because I'm smart. I'm joking, I'm not that smart. Well, yes I am, I got AB honor roll. But anyways, yeah, this is just a short little video. Yeah. This is just to make up for me not posting often. Because I'm running out of video ideas, and then someone just showed me this. I'm like, oh, I should make that into a video. Yeah. I will, see y'all later. Bye.